your passion is clearly coming through. And I want to hear about the passion that you have for mobile marketing. And how did that get started? Where was that spark?
Yeah, it's interesting. The core of the passion is education. So when I was 13, I wrote a 65-year life plan. And my plan was to be able to end my career teaching, but I didn't want to give myself the gift of the opportunity to teach without having first, conducted and done business myself, been involved in business and had life's experiences, so that when I was up in front of a classroom or sharing a dialogue with my prospective students, I had some real life lessons to share, not just what I happened to have read in a book. And so that's really kind of where it all started, was let's go in, get out there in the world and experience what's going on, and then find opportunities and venues to teach them. I'd say that mobile marketing part of things really started to emerge mid-90s. So my first foray into mobile was in '96. And I was doing the test measurement equipment for the Iridium satellite program. So we were doing all the custom hardware and software test development systems for Iridium handsets. So I spent a lot of time with Kyocera and Motorola, back and forth between Schaumburg and Chicago, and Kyocera in Japan, and building the test equipment that helped the phones talk to the satellites. Now, as we all know, fast forward a couple of years from that period, it became a $5 billion hole in the ground, and you have the satellites rolling around in the air because, unfortunately, their model didn't predict the cell phone networks to become to take to market that quickly. And then when I started to, but at that point in time, I knew that mobile was going to be huge, and I could see what was going to happen and the effects that it would have on society. When I really started to see mobile's role as a role for marketing, was, I'd have to say, it was around February or March of 1999. I was working with a company called Ecrio, where we were building the world's first rich instant messaging and present server solution software solution for carrier networks. What that means is you could take a mobile device at the time, which was a Palm 5, and an OmniSky sled. I don't know if you remember that. It was a little 96K baud sled that you could put on the 5, and it was basically wireless fax, if you will, to be able to exchange data. And we were doing real-time whiteboarding on this, sending images back and forth. And I realized at that point that this was an interactive medium that we could use to engage and interact with consumers.